MI-3788 Universal Tablet Floor Kiosk Installation. Attach the column to the base using the provided bolts through the underside of the base as shown, and then tighten until secure using the provided hex wrench. If the stand does not need to be attached to the ground and will be used freestanding, insert the plugs into the holes in the base. Wood surface installation. To secure the stand base to a wood surface, use a 3/16 inch drill bit and drill pilot holes to a depth of 2.2 inches. Secure the stand base using the provided screws. Concrete surface installation. To secure the stand base to a concrete surface, use a 3/8 inch masonry drill bit and drill pilot holes to a depth of 2.4 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert concrete anchors. Secure the stand base using the provided screws. Attach the anti-theft tablet case to the end of the column in the orientation shown here using the provided bolts through the 4 bolt holes on the center of the case. Loosen the bolts on the back of the tablet case using the hex wrench and expand the case to a size larger than that of the tablet. Insert the tablet and slide the sides of the case until all 4 corners are snug against the tablet. Then tighten the bolts back down once more to secure the tablet in the case.